Alright guys, this is a video about how to turn on Honeywell T-5 home thermostat. As you can see right now, it's fan auto, but I'm gonna be teaching you how to turn this on. So this is mode, this button. Sorry guys, my hands are dirty, I just worked on a car. But here you click on mode, puts you to heat right here. You click again, puts you to cool. And then if you click once more, you turn the thermostat off. But right now, since it's winter, I want to put heat on. What I want to do is click here once, puts me to heat, it says following schedule, puts me to heat, and right here, you want to make sure, see it's at 65. Right now, since it's winter, I want it 80 degrees in the house, put it at 81, and then right now, it's on heat. If I want cold, I want to click again, permanent hold. Okay, go to menu, home. Now you could do it. I don't know what that was, but now to get out of that menu options, I click menu. Now I could put cold again. I could turn it off and then on. But okay, now the question is, how are you gonna turn fan on and off? Well, this button. Gonna click fan on. Click again. That's fan circulate. And once again, and then fan auto. I prefer auto because it automatically chooses which option fan, when to turn on the fan and when to turn it off. And if you want to put cold, click here, put it to cool, and then drop it down. This goes to 50 degrees. This is just a quick video because some grandmas out there doesn't know how to use this. But that's a quick, easy guide for you guys. Please like this video. As always, have an awesome day.